Hi guys, happy Friday. It's May 8th, 2020. I hope you enjoyed learning about persuasive text and writing your own persuasive text. Let's take a minute to review what we've learned about persuasive text, guys. All right, we're going to go back a few screens here. And remember, we talked about how persuasive text gives an opinion and reasons to persuade or convince readers to think something or to do something. A persuasive text must have an opinion. So you're going to find that at the beginning of a persuasive text. Remember, an opinion is what the reader should think or do. The author of a persuasive text is trying to persuade or convince the reader to think a certain way or to do something. But they have to give reasons, don't they? They have to give reasons to be able to persuade the reader to do something or to think a certain way. Over the week, we practiced that. We practiced that within spring. The author wanted us to think that spring is the best, right? And the author gave, I say he, but it's she, Angela Johnson, she gave many reasons in her text about why spring is the best. If we go back to the book, we know that one of the reasons she said was because it's warm. It brings the warm days. Coldest stays behind and there's warm days. I also remember her saying that those are they're longer days where you can go outside and play outside after dinner time. So we practiced identifying those elements in a persuasive text, and then we took it further. You guys you wrote your own persuasive text to tell about your favorite season. It was your job to convince our audience, which was the class, to believe what you believe is the best season, to think that way. And so you gave your reasons here, and then you used this planning sheet to complete your persuasive text. So I want to wrap up this week with persuasive text by having you guys read this book. Many of you may have already read this book. It's a really good, fun story to read, and it's a persuasive text, guys. Iguana by Karen Kaufman Orloff and David Catrow. As you listen to this read aloud for Iguana, I want you to think about the reasons that Alex gave Mom on why he should have Mickey's iguana when he moves. Mickey's moving away, and Alex wants his iguana. What are the reasons? So as you're listening to this book be read to you, think about the opinion. What is the author, or maybe what is Alex in this story? What does he want you to think about iguanas, and what are the reasons? So that's what you're doing. There's no extra assignment with this. Is just enjoy the story and have fun identifying what Alex wants you to think about iguanas and what are some of the reasons that he gave for those reasons. Guys, I hope you have an awesome Friday. Have a great weekend. Don't forget, this weekend, Sunday, is a special day for our moms. So do something for her. It doesn't have to be something that you buy. It could be just something special that you do for Mom. Maybe helping her with something, maybe creating something. Be creative. Take out a piece of paper and crayons. It doesn't take much. I promise you that Mom will love anything that you do to show her that you care about her. So you guys have a great day. Happy Mother's Day to all you moms. You guys are doing awesome. And I will talk to you soon. Goodbye.